Right, so yeah, where are we at? We want to do a calendar for 2021. Like I've just said, but last year was my first one. I'm hoping to do one this year. Well, not hoping, I'm going to produce a calendar this year. I've got a couple of short lists. Now, I'm going to put a few images up down the side there for, I think it was February and possibly June. I've got several images I can't decide on. Denise can't decide on. Me and Mrs. C's been having a look at them, and we can't make up 100% our mind. There may be 3 months you're going to see down there where we can't actually pick an image, and I would like you to vote on the image you want. I will put them down as February ABCD, and just pick the image that you would like to see in the calendar, and that will make the deciding factor to get the final image for next year. I've got to get my images off as soon as I can, so this will have to go out as soon as I know, as soon as this video goes out, as soon as you're watching this, please let me know in the comments straight away, because I'll only have a couple of days before I've got to get them off into press. The likes of the big guys have already got their images in. I'm using the same printers as I did last year, which is Johnson's printers in Nantwich. It's a 5-minute walk from me, and if you do know the big names like Nigel Damson, Joe Cornish, Thomas Heaton and stuff like that, they all use the same printers. The paper quality is absolutely astounding. It is beautiful paper. It's a lovely luster paper, and all the artwork's really nice. It's very well made, very professional made. I wanted to do a high grade calendar as is last year, because I think it justifies it. I don't want these little tiny A4 foldable ones. I wanted something nice and big, nice and clear, and to show off the images to their best. So yeah, there's going to be a pre-order. The pre-orders will start, I think, in July. Once I'm finalized everything, I'll get it up on the website. I'll put a show of the images that we're going to be going in there, a little bit of detail on there about how you get hold of yours. They will all be posted. They will be posted out by the end of September, so everybody anywhere in the world should get your calendar by Christmas. I will promise to get them all out by September, but the pre-orders, there's going to be a certain amount of pre-orders, and the first, I don't know, the first so many will be signed. I'll let you know as and when I put it up on the website. I'll put a note on there. The first X amount of calendars will all be signed, as like this one. Both me and Denise signed it last year, and they will be signed for you. So pre-orders, in fact pre-orders, all pre-orders will be signed. I've said it now, I'm done. So all pre-orders before the calendar is actually finalized, which will probably be end of August, all pre-orders will be signed for. All right, I will sign them for you. So yeah, that's it, done. Absolutely made up, over the moon. Both me and Denise want to thank everybody last year for buying one of our calendars. So please stand by. The images will be coming. There will be a few images. Like I say, I hope you voted on them images now. I'll put up a couple of other maybe previews just to give you an idea of what's going to go in it. And yeah, I'm going to finish my cup of tea. I'm going to sit in my van and relax a little while. And I'm on the driveway. I'm not anywhere at the moment. There will be a video coming out very soon about the van, and I'll tell you all about it, what I've got in here, how it works, and what we're going to be doing with it, I hope. So yeah, that's all I wanted to do. Fill in Friday videos. Every so often I'm going to chuck a little video in on a Friday. Right, just had to change the battery, typical, isn't it? I was just watching the battery going red as it was flashing on the top there, and I thought I could get it all out in the end, but I couldn't. Yeah, so as I was saying, free video Friday. Every so often I'm going to be sticking out a tech talk, maybe a gadget, an item, something, but it's going to be an extra video. My video and my channel, as you know, is landscape and our adventures we have on our landscape photography. I had a comment a couple of weeks ago about my channel's turning into a sales channel. It's not. We've been on lockdown. It's been very difficult to get out and do proper photography, so I've been taking on as much as I can for products and just trying to sort of put them out there to you guys. That's not what the channel's about, but if people are willing to throw me something to look at, to test, to try, review, I'm happy to give it a go. I'm happy to show you guys if somebody might like it. I don't get paid for any of it, by the way, not a single penny. So yeah, calendar. Pre-orders will be July. I will be getting them out, getting them on the website. Keep an eye on it, and I'll mention it in future videos anyway. So yeah, be the first one. Be the first one to get that on, and I'll throw in a car sticker for you from the LVA, Landscape Photography Adventures. So anyway, I'm going to finish my brew, sit back in my van and enjoy just looking at it for a little while, a few minutes, and yeah, thanks for watching. Cheers. Ciao for now.